Hello guys! Welcome back to another video tutorial. For today's video, I'm gonna show you the best solution for Roblox Clash and unexpected error occurred and Roblox needs to quit. This solution has been the one that has worked the most for everyone so far. In this solution, what you gotta do is let's type this in the start menu and open this cleanup. Now, uncheck all the boxes and leave only the thumbnail activated. Now, click on OK and click on Delete Files. So, that's it. That's how to solve the error and the best solution for Roblox Clash and unexpected error occurred and Roblox did to quit. So I hope that you learned something and this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below and make sure to subscribe and like to our channel. Thanks!